Barron's ASVAB 11th edition Diagnostic Test Arithmetic Reasoning question number 17. A scale blueprint drawing of a building has a scale of 1 inch to 40 feet. How many inches on the drawing represent a distance of 175 feet on the blueprint? Well, 1 inch equals 40 feet. How many inches equals 175 feet? Well, if we do make that clear, 1 over x equals 40 over 175. That's different. Okay, or x over 1, which also translates to x over 1 equals 175 over 40. So naturally we have to divide 175 by 40. That's what it looks like. 40 goes into 175. Again, I'm going to show you multiple ways to solve this. 40 goes into 175 4 times. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 4 is 16. Now we have 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring down the 0. 4 goes into 150 3 times. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 4 is 12. Four goes into 40 goes into 300, or 4 goes into 30 7 times. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 4 is 28. Ten minus 8 is 2. For 40 goes into 200, or 4 goes into 20 5 times. Alright, now in the answer key, they want in fraction form. It has A is 4 1/8, which is about 4.1, which is less than 4.375. We have B, which is 4 3/8, which is 4 3/8 is going to be about 4.4. I'm looking for about signs. About 4.4. We have C, which is 4 1/2, which is obviously 4.5, and D, which is 4 3/4, which is 4.75. So this one is too large, this one's too large, and this one looks like it's about right. We can actually do it the way it suggests in the book, which is to solve it in fraction form, which is what I'm going to do next, just so that we don't have to guess and check at the very end. Alright, so 175 over 40, we're going to find the least common denominator. And if you look, we see a 5 here and a 0 here. We know that 5 goes into anything that ends in 5, and it also goes into anything that ends in 0. So we're going to do 5 goes into 175. Well, 5 times 3 is 15. 17 minus 15 is 2. Bring down the 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So we know that we have 35. And 40 divided by 5, I'm going to go ahead and do that for you, even though it's 8. It looks like it. 5 goes into 4, 0, 8 times. Okay, and now we're looking for, to keep it in fraction form, we have to do something special. We're going to divide 8 into 35, but we're going to stop right here. Instead of putting my decimal point, I'm putting an R. So 8 goes into 35 4 times, and we have 32. 35, or 5 minus 2 is 3. So we have 4 remainder 3. And this 4 remainder 3 equals 4 and 3/8. Which only validates this one also. But this one, I did all this math, but I was actually supposed to keep it in fraction form the entire time because the answer in the book was in fraction form.